presentation is going to be about how AI is affecting the manufacturing industry. I'm in Group Orchid. Sebastian.
And I'm Sebastian. So for our first slide, we're going to be talking about the analysis of the manufacturing industry. One of the main points is the labor shortages, where a lot of manufacturing companies do not want to hire human workers because as they're getting older and we're getting more younger generations, a lot of people don't want to work in such factories, and we think that it's better for AI robots to do the job instead, so they can save on salary expenses and other manufacturing expenses. One of the disruptions previous to the COVID era was the diversification of suppliers. There's also sustainability pressure, where a lot of people in the manufacturing industry would they want to have climate regulations, where they want to have a low waste process. For the customers, there's like consumer good companies for reliable, cost-effective production, and for suppliers, there's raw material providers, which are the steelmaking companies that are also semiconductors. For the major players in the pre-ChatGPT era, is General Electronics. They focus on the industrial software restructure focus on core sector. They also do rapid automation and reshoring are the result of supply chain disruptions, technological advancements, and labor shortages. Demands for social responsibility from consumers and regulations leads to more funding for sustainable manufacturing.
I'll be talking about the current conditions. So AI has significantly impacted the manufacturing industry, bringing out about a wave of changes and improvements across various processes in ways like enhanced efficiency and productivity, improved quality control, optimized supply chain management, faster and more innovative product development, and increased safety and enhanced working planning and cost reduction. And I put in a picture of how AI has changed from the 18th century to today. All in all, AI is transforming the manufacturing industry into a more data-driven, efficient, and adaptable industry, empowering manufacturers to optimize operations, enhance quality, innovate faster, and stay ahead of the curve in a competitive global market.
So basically, in my slide, I just kind of want to go over kind of what the future of AI kind of looks like within the manufacturing industry, and through that, I kind of wanted to look at what AI is doing good right now and where it kind of struggles. So the main things that AI is best at is usually statistical things, data documentation, text image generation for manufacturing, especially that goes with labeling and all that type of stuff. And then modeling, let's say, they want to make a big change in the company. AI is actually able to, sometimes with pictures, sometimes just with an answer to a hypothetical situation. They're able to make a prediction through the data that you give the AI servers. So, even free services like ChatGPT, it does this stuff well, like statistical stuff. You ask it a hypothetical, and it does its best. Where AI kind of struggles at the moment comes with stuff like customer service. This isn't necessarily manufacturing, but the best example I can give for customer service is if you have gone to like a fast food place in the past year, and you pull up to the window, or you pull up to like the speaker, and sometimes it's not even a real person anymore. Sometimes they have the AI. I've ran into it personally. It's not at its best right now compared to what I have up there. Working off unstructured, unorganized data, the AI only works as well as whatever you give it, whatever data you're able to give it, it's gonna work off that, and that kind of comes with the human touch that I'm gonna be talking about later, but it is very much needed within the AI. Physical skills, that I just wanted to kind of mention that kind of goes with working on like the product line. If you're, it's not product line. You know what I mean. But you know, AI, like physical machines that actually, you know, it's not just like an online service. You actually have it to like act as a worker, basically. That stuff, it's not really at its peak right now compared to what that has. And then cybersecurity, AI is new. It's constantly changing, and so for that reason, it honestly doesn't have the best. It doesn't store data the best right now compared to what we had before. And then going into my next slide, I just kind of wanted to make an argument for why people, or why, you know, the future doesn't look as AI as maybe we might think it will. Number one, much of the population right now is already against AI integration within the workforce. I wouldn't say, it might be a little bit too much to say majority of people are completely against it, but during my research, I found a statistic that over 60% of Americans either believe that it's just not going to affect their job at all, or it's going to affect it negatively. So it's a big chunk of people right now that just do not believe in it or do not want to believe in it. Obviously, with the media continuing to push kind of a fearful attitude of AI, sometimes we hear about these stories about just, you know, it's kind of scary how advanced they make it sound, and I mean, it's a necessary fear. Also, the power of the human touch. This is what I kind of touched on in the last slide, but basically you can't have AI without an actual human. A human needs to implement it, they need to understand how it works, to actually tell it what to do, you know, like you can't just have AI, you need some type of human application. Just to kind of speed up here, expenses, this is kind of the last thing. This kind of goes more with the physical stuff that I was talking about. It is very expensive to implement, and along with that, a lot of these AI services, you're kind of just putting a confident like gamble on whether or not it's going to work out. Like I keep saying, it's new stuff, and it's a big investment that, you know, companies sometimes just aren't willing to make.
On the more positive side, AI can be used in the manufacturing industry for operational efficiency and cost reduction. AI can be helpful in predicting maintenance when machines are broken down. AI-powered systems can catch defects quicker than humans, and their computer science technology. Inventory management can also reduce storage costs. There's also enhanced product innovation and customization. AI analyzes consumer data and trends, enabling customization of products, leading to the success of many of the manufacturing industries of companies. AI also optimizes design and production to create more functional, durable, and sustainable products with our safety regulations. Sustainability and regulatory demands. AI helps reduce waste and carbon footprint by optimizing energy use and production schedules. AI ensures regulatory compliance by tracking and managing environmental